Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a time machine. We'll explore the fascinating concept of temporal displacement and the theoretical underpinnings of journeying through time. While it sounds like science fiction, we'll break down the core ideas. This guide will help you grasp the basic principles involved in such an extraordinary undertaking, making the complex seem approachable and exciting. To begin, you'll need a few key components. First, a robust energy source, perhaps a quantum singularity containment field, providing immense power. Next, a temporal displacement unit, which is the heart of your machine, bending spacetime. Finally, a sophisticated navigation system, crucial for setting your desired temporal coordinates and ensuring a safe return to your original timeline. Now, let's talk about construction. Start by carefully assembling the temporal displacement unit, ensuring all connections are secure. Then, integrate your powerful energy source, making sure to include adequate shielding for safety. Finally, meticulously calibrate the navigation system. This step is vital for precise temporal targeting, allowing you to pinpoint specific moments in history or the future with accuracy. Before your first journey, always perform a thorough system check to ensure everything is fully operational. Begin with very short, controlled temporal jumps to test the machine's stability and your navigation accuracy. Remember, the fabric of time is delicate. Any alterations, especially to the past, could lead to unforeseen consequences, so proceed with caution and a sense of responsibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.